video is very exciting because I'm doing it in collaboration with myclosetegypt. I'm going to be using the AVANI GREGG X MORPHE palette to do a very crazy eyeshadow look, and I'm very excited عشان بقالي كتير قوي ما عملتش حاجة مجنونة كده. I'm very excited to see what kind of look we'll come up with using the palette دي. Let's go. أنا بجد خايفة ما أكونش الفوكس، بقالي كتير قوي ما صورتش. I'm going to be using a Glam Glow Water Burst Moisturizer. I swear by this. هو غالي شوية بس بجد it's worth it. مش عارفة انتوا شايفينه ولا لأ بس أنا بجد خلصته يعني. I'm gonna start with my brows. هدو them off camera. هعمل حواجبي برا الفيديو و be right back. Okay, so I'm done with my brows ودلوقتي بحاول أفكر هعمل ميك اب لوك ايه. I'm thinking about doing حاجة ب these 3 blues هنا وممكن استخدم the cake liners. بحاول visualize الموضوع في دماغي بس I'm super excited. I'm not going to be talking في الحتة دي. Speeding up the process عشان it's going to take a long time, so I'm very excited. يلا. حاجة لاحظتها إن the color fishy اللي هو اللايت blue is very buildable. في الأول كنت مخلوطة شوية it's not showing up، بعد كده it's now showing up a lot clearer. بقالي كتير ما عملتش حاجة out of the box كده ف I'm very happy. في حاجات في عينيا فأنا I can't see if it's in focus ولا لأ. I hope it is. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and come back when it's time for the final reveal. I'm sure that there's a big difference between the clip اللي فات والclip ده بس I'm done. I went for a black lip. I hope you guys liked the tutorial ده. I really love the palette. حاجة I want to tell you guys about the cake liners. What I found worked best ليا جبت MAC Fix Plus I sprayed directly في البان. The amount of sprays you spray controls how watery it's going to be. I hope you guys like it. I love you. I'm just going to say